Hi guys! I'm back after 3 days of break and I would like to thank Nick for stepping in for these few days and I hope you guys see more of him in the future. Vivo has recently showcased their fast charging technology and it is capable of pushing 120 watt output, which is pretty fast. And if you're an Honor or Huawei user, the EMUI 9.1 update will be arriving really soon. Keep watching to find out more. Huawei has started rolling out its EMUI 9.1 update to Huawei and Honor devices. So the latest UI was initially introduced on the Huawei P30 series and it offers a bunch of improvements, including a new file system that offers better random read performance. Apart from the Huawei Mate 20 series, Huawei has also revealed a list of supported devices and it includes older devices such as the Huawei P10 from 2017. And if you're an Honor user, the company is also pushing out the update for its range of devices starting from the August 2019. This includes older devices such as the Honor 8 Pro as well as the Honor 7X. For newer devices, the operating system has been renamed to Magic UI and the latest 2.1 version is now being pushed to the Honor View 20. If you're a fan of pink and if you're interested to purchase the standard Oppo Reno that comes with a pop-up wedge selfie camera, I have some good news for you. Oppo Malaysia is introducing its Sunset Rose variant really soon and it looks really pretty. The Oppo Reno series was introduced in Malaysia with two color variants, which is the jet black as well as ocean green. The Sunset Rose variant will only be offered for the Oppo Reno Standard Edition, which is currently priced at 1,999 ringgit and it comes with 6 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. So this device will be available on the 2nd of July 2019, so if you're interested, you better mark your calendars. Do you know that you can book a SOCAR for a one-way trip to KLIA and KLIA too? From now until the 31st of August 2019, SOCAR is waiving the 50 ringgit one-way fee and you can get to the airport for as low as 30 ringgit. That means you will now have the flexibility to travel to the airport with your friends and family without hassle. Without the 50 ringgit one-way fee, you can book a per dua ASEA for 16 ringgit for 2 hours without taxes. Do note that SOCAR also provides free mileage of 20 km per hour of booking and petrol is included. And if you need a bigger car, there are other vehicle options available such as the Honda CR-V. So if you're interested, you better get booking. Do you wish that you can charge your phone super fast? If you do, I have some interesting news to share. Recently, Vivo has unveiled their fast charging technology at MWC Shanghai. This is the first smartphone charging technology to deliver 120 watt output, which is way stronger than Xiaomi's 100 watt supercharged turbo technology. According to Vivo, the Super Flash Charge features a new charge pump technology that uses a customized USB Type-C cable and travel charger. And based on the lab test, it only takes 5 minutes to charge a 4000 mAh battery from 0 to 50%, and to fully charge this device, you only need to take 30 minutes. But will it be safe when it arrives in a commercial product? Do let me know in the comments below. So that's it from me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be informed whenever we post a new video. And remember to check out our latest video here, and also last episode of ICYMI here. Okay, I will see you in the next one. Bye!